Gyronics.
Okay, another easy problem for the cylinder. So we have a hollow right circular cylinder with an outer radius of 10 cm and an inner radius of 8 cm and a height of 20 cm. So calculate the cost of metal used to make it, assuming that the cost of metal is $0.05 per cubic centimeter. The rate is in cubic centimeter, which means we are going to calculate for the volume. To visualize this problem, we have a hollow right circular cylinder which has an outer radius of 10 centimeter and the inner radius of 8 centimeter with the height of 20 centimeter. So let's calculate the volume for this hollow cylinder. Refer to the sample cylinder here, wherein R is the radius of the base and H is the altitude. So the general equation for the volume, so we have area of base times height. In this case, the base of a cylinder is circle, so the area is given by pi r squared, that is the area of the circle, times height. But actually we will not be using this formula, but rather the general equation. So the reason is, as you can see, the area of the base of this hollow cylinder is not completely filled. So this is a donut shape. This inner region is hollow. So we are aiming for this shaded region. Let's label first the values. We have the outer radius represented by capital letter R. So to indicate this is the larger value, which is 10 centimeter, and the inner circle is represented by lowercase r. Okay, so to indicate this is the smaller value. So to calculate for this shaded region, so we simply need to subtract the area of the outer circle, so minus the area of the inner circle. So we have a common pi here. We can simplify further this equation. Okay, so we have area of base equals pi times the radius of the outer circle squared minus the radius of the inner circle squared. Okay, let's plug in the value. We have the area of base equals pi times the outer, which is 10 squared, minus the inner, which is 8 squared. And this will give us 36 pi square centimeters. So that is the area of the base of this hollow cylinder. So next is the calculation for the volume. So we'll be using this general equation. Volume equals area of base times height. So we have the height of 20 centimeter and the area of the base, which is 36 pi square centimeters. Okay, so let's plug in the value. Volume equals 36 pi for the area of the base times 20 centimeter for the height. And this will give us 720 pi cubic centimeters. Okay, so we have now the volume, and the next step is to calculate for the cost. So as given in the problem, the cost of building this hollow cylinder is $0.05 per cubic inch. So we just need to multiply the volume, which is 720 pi, to the rate, which is 0.05 per cubic inch. Okay, so check the denominator. So we have cubic inch and the volume is cubic inch. So this two will be cancelled out. So 720 pi times $0.05, this will give us the cost of building this hollow cylinder, which is $113.10. So this is the final answer for this problem, and see you on the next exercise.